Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Welcome to Thursday. It is 20 minutes before the hour and waking up this morning to some of the best air quality that we have seen in Central Oregon in weeks. Just about everyone in the good category here this morning. We are looking at a couple of moderate places east of town here, east of Bend and up toward Mount Bachelor. But even there, it is just barely into the moderate range. So very, very nice air quality across Central Oregon, and likely it's going to stay that way. Here's a look at our smoke forecast for the next 24 to 48 hours. We do have a fire still burning west of Warm Springs, and the westerly winds off of that will carry the smoke due east. That's going to leave Central Oregon under some nice clear skies, so we are anticipating that our air quality is going to stay good here for the next couple of days. Good news for those that have suffered from the smoke, and at its peak, that was all of us. It was tough. A good example, Prineville, smoke-free this morning. Do watch for some wet spots on the road this morning. We had some rain overnight, and it's left a little standing water. We've been drying out a little bit over the last couple of hours, but still some ponding is a possibility there. The remnants of Hurricane Beta still bringing a lot of heavy rain to northern Mississippi, Alabama, now stretching into Virginia and Tennessee. That'll continue that trek toward the northeast. The heartland is in good shape, so is most of the west coast. Here in the northwest, we've pushed some rain through over the last 24 to 36 hours. Central Oregon, we even got a taste of that, but that rain now is pushing out of the Pendleton and LeGrand area, and even they are seeing some clearing this morning. Now, we are going to stay in this cool, breezy, wet pattern here for the next 2 or 3 days. Central Oregon's going to be out here toward the fringe of all of this today. Heaviest rain is to our north. It looks like that's going to be the case. We'll see a diminishing chance as we get into the latter portion of tomorrow, but expect a chance of some showers, 20 to 30% chance to stay with us until about Friday night into Saturday morning. By Saturday, that's when we'll start to see a bit of a change in our pattern here. Mid-40s to mid-50s to get the day underway, and we're headed for a day that does wind up fairly breezy. It is not right now. We have fairly light and variable winds. Madras has seen the winds pick up just a little bit, so has the Bend Airport, but overall not too bad right now. We'll all get breezy this afternoon. We are all going to stay cool as well, low to mid 60s for most of our daytime highs. With that wind, it'll feel even colder. Overnight tonight, probably a little chillier than we're seeing right now, but not too bad really. Upper 30s at the upper elevations. We'll see low 40s to mid 50s for just about everyone else. No pollen count to speak of and no smoke to speak of. So we're in pretty good shape by way of air quality all the way around. Cool, breezy, and a chance of showers. That's the forecast for the next 2 or 3 days. After that, it starts clearing and warming. We get plenty of sunshine and low 80s going into next week.